All right there, Mr. R in Oklahoma. 2x8. I think that's stupid power. I gotta detune it. It's too extreme. Way too extreme. Alright, here's your stand by and operate. That's 15.5 bolting, that says 15.4. Variable's wide open. I got a 5,000 watt slug in here because it just stupid. $2,500 watt slug, top scale, average. Hello, audio. PP. I've seen more than $1,000 out of it. I think I'll sit here and keep on hauling. Hello, audio. Okay. Slamming it hard. You put the 5,000 watt slug in here. We are in middle scale. 30 is 300. 3,000. Hello, audio. Got down. Alright. I gotta detune this thing. That's just ridiculous. It's just ridiculous. That's too much. Hello, audio. Got down. That's $3,000. I gotta back this baby off. Alright. So I'm probably gonna turn these volts down to get less drive to it. Oh. Here's your input reflect. Hello. Very good. Less than 1/4 watt. Alright, so I gotta detune this thing. I'm gonna bring it down to right around 2,500, maybe a little bit more, but no, we ain't leaving it like it is. I'm detuning this thing, the driver section only. Probably gonna start by turning the volts down on it, see what happens. Everything else is tuned out perfect. I'm just gonna turn the volts down here, get this thing do a little less. No, I ain't leaving it there. Alright, 73s. Back 8 amps. Cell plug 6, and I just got down and I'm gone.